Hello. How are you doing?
Hello. Hi. Is it just me and you then?
Say again.
Is it just you and I then?
You're the only one that's joined so far. Did you get any sense from other people they were coming?
No? Does Rumby know that this meeting is happening?
Yeah, that sounds like.
Okay. You'll probably all join later. How are you? How's your day been?
It's going good. I went into the library, so they've got a good tool for finding clients.
Okay. Are you still in school?
Yeah, I'm doing
DMU?
theology. No, I go to a Bible school.
Or like, do you want to be like a pastor? Something like that?
Something like that.
Okay. Anyways. Rumby told me like you're like a web designer or web
Yeah.
developer. Is it developer or designer?
That's the question I've been asking my whole career. I do front end, so I like the view, the design side of things.
Okay.
But yeah. I
Yeah, when
also
she told me, I was
like
gonna private message you because I have like an idea and I just wanted to run it by you
yeah.
because I was looking for like a web developer. But yeah, we can always discuss that later.
Yeah, we'll chat after the call.
Yeah, I'll just reach out to you later. Yeah.
Hey, what's wrong?
Who else is here?
Is it Ram?
Somebody else just joined. Yeah.
How do I say your name? Come on. No. Well, have you heard of Notion? Have you used Notion at all?
No, I haven't.
Okay. So this demo will be useful for you, nobody else. Let me share my screen.
I'm just cooking and I'm going to mute myself, okay?
Okay.
Mhm.
Don't burn the food. So Notion is a good. Oh, Mimi says she's in the lobby. Is she in the lobby? Is that you, Rumby? Are you T or Ham? Notion's quite an adaptable note-taking app. So it's good computers. So you can have lots of different sections. So I've got a few different projects in here. And then this is the one I created for Wendy. Yeah, that is you, Wendy. So yeah, when you create a new page, it's just like any other note-taking app. Can you hear and see now, Wendy? or not?
Ruby's just saying she has connection issues, so I'm sure she's gonna join soon.
Yeah, you can just do normal notes to start with the list. Like that. But what's good about it is there's so many other things that you can add. So, for example, you can add a timeline. Is good for like a company roadmap. So you can get more and more advanced note pages. So say you've got your website development, you can put in again and say, okay, we're gonna do the design, then we're gonna start the development, and then we're gonna do a review. And you can put that all into it. And then where it gets really powerful is when you add in from people's templates. So different people have already built these different pages. So someone's got different tasks for a design project, or someone's put a finance management plan all in, this notes app. So the range of things you can create is really good. Someone's got a week planner. So don't know if there's a good example. You can group pages into pages. So here's a template that I've downloaded for a consultancy sort of business. So within the main page, there's like sub pages. So you can either look at the sort of dashboard, which is the first page, but then within that they've got the tasks, all the people on the team. So I quickly added a few names. Then you can click into that and the sub page, and just edit one thing at a time. Or you've got the navigation with your main view of everything. Another template that I downloaded was this brand style guide. So yeah, Rumby will have to update all the content in here. But we've got like a mood board, illustration style, talking about your tone of voice, and you can upload files into that note page. Does that make sense, Canva?
Yeah, it does. Do we all have access to it?
So everyone has to make their personal account, and
Okay.
then I think Rumby's made this team space for 5Ws of Fashion Public.
Yeah. Okay.
That's another person.
Okay. We got somebody else.
Here it is, Sean.
Hello.
Just showing
Hiya.
different templates and stuff that you can do in Notion. So it's the modeling one in here. I've downloaded a consultancy business one. So you've got your priorities for the day, the week, the month. Puts all your team into a table. And then here is the modeling agency one. So you can create a sort of modeling agency notebook.
But we have to pay for it, yeah?
This one, yeah, I think this is probably something we could redo ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah, someone's built the template, but you could just make a new note page and add all the different parts from scratch. Have you got any features you like to use, Aisha? Have you noticed any cool tricks?
I don't have any cool tricks. I just know the basic version.
Mm-hmm.
But this one, I don't. This is on actual Notion still.
This is on Notion, yeah.
Okay.
But have you seen the templates?
No.
So when we've been using it, we've just been starting from scratch. But there's loads of templates online. So there probably is like a holiday planner. This was the modeling agency one. Then we've got this consultancy agency one. That was free. I like this brand style guideline one I downloaded. So they've just put in sort of the purpose of the company, where it fits, what its personality is, and you can put in all the colors and typography. So yeah, it's good. I'm not sure if Izzy would want me to show you hers. It's maybe commercially sensitive, but I can show you the one thought I did. Here we go. That's the brand guidelines stuff. Maybe it's on another account. Oh no, here we go. So I put like a product roadmap. So this is in the wrong order, but you start discovering your customers, and then do different samples of the engineering, and start 3D printing and make a MVP. And just a table.
So you download that one from
labels.
Notion or online?
Yeah, this it's in Notion.
Like the
If you-
modeling one?
Yeah,
Oh.
when you say you want to add a new page, if you go to, these are all the normal templates, and then at the very bottom it says there's more in the marketplace. So you can choose whether you want school templates, work templates, normal live templates. You can say, okay, I want product templates. And yeah, people online. So they have done paid ones as well. They've done like a product launch one. So here's your like product roadmap. With this, looks like it's like a burn down rate. It looks quite good. So you can plan your spending if you know you've got costs coming out that are going to be consistent. Any questions?
No. I guess when we use it, we'll then have questions. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Stop sharing. Yeah, it's good. It's a shame Rumby had connection issues, but my friend Izzy is more advanced with building sort of pages and stuff like that. So yeah, when she's done the video tomorrow, that will be good. You can get it out to the group. Yeah. Torian, did you want to run through your website idea?
Yeah, we can. I'm sure you're calling me by a name that nobody calls me. Just call me Mariam or Kiki.
Okay.
Because nobody knows knows me by that, apart from my family. But yeah. Um so the idea I have is very elaborate, but I've written everything down. So it's gonna be like a styling app, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the way I want it to be is, you know how you can just go to Pinterest, see styles and, get inspiration. But now I want an app where if you have like an high-end fashion, like if you have brands like Gucci and all that, I want to be able to find dupes like mid-market and maybe mass market for people like just different categories. And within that app, we could have like when you want to sign up, you can have like styling preference. We'll do like a little quiz, see what your style is and what you like and all that. So we'd be sending you like things like that for what you want. We'll personalize everybody's style to them. Like once you log into your own app, you'd be able to see your own style, your measurements, different brands that you can actually buy from very high end stores to like very mass market kind of brands. Do you understand the type of idea I'm
Kind of,
trying to? Yeah,
StockX with shoes.
yeah, yeah. With like clothes,
It's great.
shoes. Obviously, I can't. The idea I have is for like African brands, but because it might be more difficult, so I don't mind starting with like just the brands that are like already very popular now, and
I
then
mean, so I've got connection. Aisha and I walked to Vanity Hub Africa, and I've done African Fashion Week.
yeah.
Um,
The thing about getting all brands on board in Africa is just that just because I'm African as well, I understand that a lot of people would not even respond to partnerships like this if they're not at first benefiting. Might
mhm.
be more difficult from an African brand perspective, but it might be doable if we're looking at brands here already in
So
terms of
sort of
partnerships.
the t-shirt brands and stuff like that.
Mm. Or any type of brand. So like even for shoes, like also you want to go out date night, you're thinking, oh, what can I wear? Then the app is where you can get like the ideas from.
Hmm.
For people that can just style themselves. So it's gonna be like a digital stylist.
Okay.
But like I wrote the whole thing down so I could send that to you. It's really scattered and then you can go through it.
That's your plan.
Yes, that's kind of thing I wanted to build.
Hmm.
But I just don't know what it costs to build something like that because might be complicated.
Sounds like it depends how many features you want.
You see why I need to talk to
Mm-hmm.
somebody like you because I don't know. I don't know anything about anything. I just have the idea.
Well, you want what's the smallest thing that people would pay money for? That's where you want to start from.
Yeah. And
So,
obviously the app could have like a premium. So you can have like just a basic where you don't have to pay. You know what most apps do? They give you
hmm,
like something free, but like it's
yeah.
just the very bare minimum. And then there will be like plans, other plans for like, oh, if you want to access this, if you want to access more brands, stuff like that. And then
Hmm.
brands can then pay for partnerships or to be featured in on the app as well.
Hmm.
So that's how I feel like the financials will go around maybe brands wanting to like be visible on that sort of thing and for like end users to also want to pay for like the packages.
Hmm.
But it's just to figure out how it works or how to make it work, first of all.
I mean, there's so many different ways you could build it. Um,
Mm.
if you said you've got the idea scribbled
Mm-hmm.
down,
Mm-hmm.
um, like think of the smallest or like a list of features and prioritize it based on what would someone pay for straight away.
Mm-hmm. Anyway, I will send you like the idea, everything written down. by weekend, because I'm going to work tomorrow and Friday and I might not be able to get to it. But during the weekend, I should be able to send you something. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we can discuss it more elaborately.
That's cool.
Yeah. So it seems like nobody else is coming. We could just leave. Yeah.
Yeah. That's all.
All right. Then thank you, Haven. And bye, Aisha.
See you.